You've got 2 Allen keys, pre-assembling the brackets before putting it on the rack. So rubbers on the inside, 2 rubbers. That's all tightened up now, and that'll actually assemble into that like that. Again, this one's already pre-tightened. So the long Allen key with all the washers. So everything has a spring washer and washer ready to go. There's a little bracket that goes into the rack. So small hexagonal bolt, tightened into the rail. So what you do, you just push that in there, like that, and then tighten. Doesn't go anywhere else, only goes in one location. So that's pretty much it for that. So this needs to go underneath, not on top, like that. Once you get the screw started entirely, because it's sometimes hard to start and you don't want to cross thread. You want to sort of tighten the nut sort of it's close. Of the bracket, which is probably at the end, which would be best suited. Just take that off there. Make sure it's all tight. We'll tighten it up as much as we can because we might need to adjust that back and forth. Now I'm going to take those front covers off for a moment. So we're just going to loosen these off just a touch so we can make the adjustments. So these are all going to be loosened off a touch. For us to make the adjustments. What should probably be done, I don't have a tape measure on me, is to pre-measure your roof gutters and try to pre-measure as much as you can. It's a little Allen key on the roof rack that needs to come off, a black one, before you put it on. It has to slot in. The racks need to slot in. They fit pretty tight, so you just need to be careful. Don't scratch anything. That's pretty much it. So now everything's up. Tighten them up, and that's pretty much it. Make sure that all your nuts are all tight everywhere. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward.